Fly Jamaica flight OJ256 heading to Toronto crash lands in Guyana. All passengers survived.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A Fly Jamaica flight en route to Toronto crash landed early Friday morning in Guyana. All passengers on board survived, with 6 people suffering only minor injuries. The plane was carrying 120 adult passengers, 2 infants and 8 crew members.
The Fly Jamaica flight OJ256 departed the Cheddi Jagan International Airport for Toronto at 2:10 hours on Friday morning. At 10 minutes after the flight took off, an emergency was declared and the pilot immediately requested to return to the airport. This permission was given and the aircraft landed at the airport at 2:53 hours. On board were a total of 128 persons.
There were 120 passengers, of which there were of this is 118 adults and 2 infants, and there's 8 crew. The crew comprises 6 Guyanese and 2 Jamaicans. There's 1 American, 82 Canadians, 35 Guyanese, 1 Pakistani, and 1 Trinidadian. That came up to 120. All 128 passengers and crew have been accounted for.
Airline spokesman Carl Bowen says the plane, which was on its way to Toronto, reported a hydraulic failure emergency shortly after taking off from the Cheddi Jagan International Airport. The hydraulic problem on the Boeing 757 reportedly forced the pilots to return to the airport just over 40 minutes after takeoff. Bowen said the crew was unable to stop the aircraft, which came to a halt at the northeastern takeoff end of the runway, badly damaging its right wing and engine. Fly Jamaica falls under the Wings Aviation Company and operates scheduled flights from Guyana to Kingston, Jamaica to Toronto, Canada, and New York in the United States. A statement from Fly Jamaica confirmed a technical problem forced flight OJ256 to return and suffered an accident on landing. The investigation into the crash is still ongoing.
The crash site is being secured by personnel from the Guyana Defense Force and the Guyana Police Force.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.